How's it going, guys? My name is Dustin, and we're happy to have you for another episode of The Theme Park Shark. Today we are at the Walt Disney World Resort taking a look at the Contemporary Hotel. Now, there is a big rumor floating around that the Contemporary Resort Hotel may be changing into an Incredibles themed hotel. Whoa. Now, Richard Nixon may or may not be a crook, but is this overlay criminal? If you don't understand that joke, it's because Richard Nixon gave his famous "I am not a crook" speech at the Contemporary.
Well, I'm not a crook.
Now that you have a better idea of what the Contemporary Hotel is and what it represents, news is actually saying that the Contemporary Resort will remain pretty much the same. It's just getting an Incredibles overlay. The overlay will actually be similar to what we've seen at Disneyland Paris at Hotel New York, which has since been turned into Disney's Hotel New York, The Art of Marvel. Now, as of right now, it is also rumored that the Mary Blair mural that sits in the middle, essentially, of the Contemporary Resort is set to be taken down at this time. This renovation will also include the lobby and probably the Wave restaurant and other dining and entertainment facilities at the Contemporary. My guess is that the goal is to bring an updated and retro-futuristic look to the Contemporary, while also kind of implementing an IP character presence into the hotel. The south end area of the resort is also probably not long for this world. So Jake actually went to the Contemporary Hotel Resort and checked out an area where there are 2 model rooms currently being changed for this overlay to kind of show off what's coming to the hotel. So without further ado, Jake, take it away.
What's going on, guys? We're here at the Contemporary Hotel at Walt Disney World. We're going to take a first-hand look. We're going to go up close and see what's going on with this Incredibles overlay. It's right down here at the end of this hall, so let's go see what's up. Here you can see the carpet being changed over for the Incredibles overlay. And they removed the theming that was installed on the wall. Not sure as to why, but here you can see they're going hard at renovating these 2 rooms. New room signs also. Here we go from the old carpet over to the new Incredibles carpet. Now, those 2 rooms that we were just outside of are currently being remodeled to be model rooms for this new Incredibles themed hotel, which is rumored to be announced at the D23 Expo on August 23rd, 2019.
So, what are you guys' thoughts on changing the Contemporary Hotel? It's a pretty classic Walt Disney World hotel, and you know, for some people are going to like an IP change and some people aren't. So I want to know what you guys think. Go ahead and leave those comments down below. Drop a like on this video. Don't forget to hit us with a subscribe, and we will see all of you guys in the next video of the Theme Park Shark, where Jake will be covering a lot of the D23 Expo. I'll see you guys in probably not the next one, but a few videos later. Jake's got the next few handled. All right, peace.